Hello there, welcome. Let's see how we can provide answer to this based on the tutorial on what? Permutation. How many three-digit numbers can be found or formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 if repetition is not allowed? Remember the tutorial we are dealing with permutation, but we can also use our fundamental principles of counting to get those numbers. Now, the first digit, we are going to find out how many possible numbers are we picking from. We are picking from 5 different numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means any of these 5 numbers can begin the first digit. So it means I have 5 chances or 5 ways of picking the first digit. Then for the second digit, if in case 3 is chosen here, it means for this place you are having between 1, 2, 3, 4. You are having only 4 options to choose from, meaning the second digit will be 4. Then finally, if this is chosen first and this is chosen second, you are having 1, 2, 3 options to pick from, and this is giving us 3 options. By fundamental principles of counting, we are to multiply this, and this will give you, I think, 20, 60 different ways. But since we are dealing with permutation, we are going to say that the total number of digits is going to be 5, and this 5 is referring to the n. Then how many are we picking? We are picking 3 digits. So therefore n is 5 and r is going to be what? 3, which is the 3 digits. So we have n permutation r, which n is the 5. So I have 5 permutation 3 equals to 5 factorial on 5 minus 3, or factorial giving you 5 factorial on what? 2 factorial. But what do we have our factorial? This simply means that I have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So factorial will cancel. We are back to 543, which will still give you what? 60 ways. So either we use the fundamental principle of counting or we use the permutation formula. This is a WASI question, section A. So you can still go ahead with the fundamental principle of counting and get your answer. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.